To our Sri Vishnu channel. This is Janardhan, your mathematics teacher. Now we discuss about pair of straight lines continuation video. The area of the triangle formed by the line Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 and the pair of straight line ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is. Now this is comparing with Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. Here L is 1, m is 1, n is 1, and comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, 2h is equal to 3, and b is equal to 2. Now the area is m square into root of h square minus ab by modulus of am square minus 2hlm plus bl square. Now substituting the values in the formula. Now n square 1 into h square minus ab. Here h is 2h is 3, h is equal to 3 by 2, and this is 9 by 4 minus ab into 2 by modulus of am square. A is 1, m square is 1 minus 2h lm plus bl square, b is 2 into 1, and this is 1 into root of 9 minus 8 by 4 by 1 plus 2, 1 into 1 1 plus 2 minus 1 8 by h. This is plus బదులు ఇక్కడ మైనస్ పెట్టుకోవాలి. So 2h is equal to minus 3, and this is 2h is minus 3, minus of minus plus 3 by 6, and this is 1 by 12. Now the answer is third option, 1 by 12. Okay, right now. The pair of straight lines x square minus 3xy plus 2y square is equal to 0 and x square minus 3xy plus 2y square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Form a square but not rhombus and parallelogram, and this is rectangle but not square. Now the solution comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gxy plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here a is 1, h is minus 3 by 2, and b is equal to 2, and g is equal to 1 by 2, and f is equal to 0, c is equal to minus 2, and this is g square minus f by a minus b. G square minus f by a minus b is value minus 1 by 4, and fg by h is equal to 0. Now therefore g square minus f square by a minus b is not equal to fg by h, and also a plus b is not equal to 0. So therefore given equations form a parallelogram. Okay, now once again g square minus f square by a minus b is equal to something, substituting this formula, and this value is minus 1 by 4, and f is 0 into g is 1 by 2 by h. 0 by something is 0. Now this is not equal to, and this one, so g square minus f square by a minus b is not equal to fg by h, and also a plus b, and 1 plus 2 is not equal to 0. So given equations form a parallel. Now the option is third. Okay, write down. The distance between the two lines represented by 8x square minus 24xy plus 18y square minus 6x plus 9y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now comparing with here, a is equal to 8, 2h is equal to minus 24, and b is equal to 18, and 2g is equal to minus 6. This is g is equal to minus 3, 2f is equal to 9, and f is 9 by 2, and c is minus 5. Now the distance between the lines is 2 into root of g square minus ac by a into a plus b, and this is 2 into root of g square minus AC. Here A is 8, C is minus 5 by A of A plus B. 8 of A plus B. A plus B. And this is 2 into root 49 by 8 into 26. And this is equal to 2 into root 7 by root 8 into 2 into 13. And this is 2 into 7 by 8 to 16, root 16 4, and this is 13, this is 2, so 7 by 2 root 13. The distance between the lines represented by 7 by 2 root 13. Now the answer is 4, 7 by 2 root 13. Okay, write down. A pair of perpendicular lines passing through the origin and also the points of intersection of these curves, and x square plus y square is equal to 0 with x plus y is equal to. Now given x square plus y square is equal to 4 and the line x plus y is equal to a, that means x plus y by a is 1. Now homogenizing process, and this is x square plus y square minus 4 into something 1 whole square is equal to 0, and this is x square plus y square minus 4 into x plus y by a whole square is equal to 0. Now this is perpendicular lines, that means coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0, and this is coefficient of x square means 1 minus this is x square a square plus b square plus 2a, that means x square plus y square plus 2x by a square. Here x square coefficient is 1 by a square into minus 4 by a square, and also 1 y square coefficient is 1 minus 4a square is equal to 0, and this is 1 plus 1 2 minus 8 by a square is equal to 0, and this is 2 is equal to 8 by a square, and this is 1 4 a square is equal to 4 a is equal to 2. Now this is option is 1. Okay, write down. If 3x square minus 11xy plus 12y square minus 7x plus 13y plus 4 is equal to 0, denotes the pair of straight lines, then the point of intersection of these lines. Now the point of intersection is h of minus bz by ab minus h square, and this is x coordinate, and gh minus af by ab minus h square. Now comparing with, first of all, comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fa plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 3, 2h is minus 11 and h is minus 11 by 2, and b is equal to 10 and g is minus 7 by 2, and f is equal to 13 by 2 and c is 4. Now the point of intersection is equal to hf minus bc by ab minus h square and gh minus af by ab minus h square, and this is the values in this formula, substituting the formula. Now the answer is 3 comma 1. Okay, right now. if one of the lines in the pair of straight lines given by 4x square plus 6xy plus ky square is equal to 0 bisect the angle between the coordinate axis, then k belongs to means the set values of. Okay, now the solution is comparing with ax square is here a is equal to 4 and this is 2h is equal to 6 and h is 3 and also k is that means d is equal to k. D is equal to k. Now angle bisects between the coordinate axis is a plus b whole square is equal to 4h square. Okay, now angle bisect between the coordinate axis is a plus b whole square is equal to 4h square. Now this formula, this is formula, and a is 4 plus b is k whole square is equal to 4h square and this is 9. Now 16 plus k square plus 8k minus 36 is equal to 0. Now k square plus 8k minus 20 is equal to 0. Now split the factors and roots. K square plus 10k minus 2k minus 20 is equal to 0. And k comma kth term is common and k plus 10 minus 2 common is there, 10 minus 10 is equal to 0 and this is k plus 10 term common. Now k minus 2 is equal to 0. This is k plus 10 into k minus 2 is equal to 0 and this is k is equal to minus 10 and k is equal to 2. Now the set values of the minus 10 comma 2. Now see the options. Third option minus 10 comma 2. Now once again I repeat the problem, and the formula a plus b whole square is equal to 4h square. That means bisect angle. That means the formula a plus b whole square plus 4h square. Now here a is 4 and b is k whole square, but a plus b whole square expanding in this 9 4 36. Now the factorize the values, k is equal to minus 10 and k is equal to, and this is set values of minus 10 comma 2. Now see the options. Now the third option is correct. So here minus 10 comma 2. Okay. Plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 plus c is equal to 0 represented a pair of parallel lines. Okay, a pair of parallel lines represents a pair of parallel lines, then root of g square minus ac by f square minus bc is equal to something. Now first option is a by b, second option is root a by b, and the third option is root b by a, and the fourth option is b by a. Now let us start the bit. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now the distance between the parallel lines is 2 into root of g square minus ac by a into a plus b, and is equal to 2 into root of f square minus bc by b into a plus b, and this is 2 cancel. And next this is a plus b and also a plus b is cancelled, and again root of g square minus ac by, and this is f square minus bc is equal to, and this is root a by root b, root a by b. So root of g square minus ac by f square minus bc is equal to root a by b. Now the see the options. Second option root a by b. Okay. P are respectively S and P are respectively, then sum and product of the slopes of the lines 3x square minus 12xy minus 15y square is equal to 0, and the options are is equal to 0, then S is to P is equal to, now the options are 4 is to 3, and second option 2 is to 3, third option 3 is to 5, and fourth option is 3 is to 4. Now we observe the line 3x square plus 12xy, minus 12xy minus 15 is equal 15y square is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 3, 2h is equal to minus 12, h is equal to minus 6, and b is equal to minus 15. Now sum of these slopes is S is equal to minus 2h by b, that means minus 2h minus of minus 12 minus 2h by b minus 15, and this is cancelled. This is 4 3 is 12, 5 3 is 15, and this is minus 4 by 5, and the product of these slopes is equal to a by b. Here 3 by minus 15, and this is minus 3 by 15. Now the ratio, sum of the slopes and the product of the slope ratio is equal to S is to P. That means minus 4 by 5 is to minus 4 by 5 is 3 by 5, and this is 4 is to 3. Now the option is 1. The option is 1. Between the parallel lines, the distance between the parallel lines given by x plus 7y whole square plus 4 root 2 into x plus 7y minus 42 is equal to 0 is, now the first option is 4 by 5, and second option is 4 root 2, third option is 2, fourth option is 10. We observe the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Now first we find factors, and here a is 1, b is 4 root 2, c is minus 42, and this is the roots are x plus 7y is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a, and that implies x plus 7y is equal to minus 4 root 2 plus or minus b square 32 minus 4ac, 4 into a 1 into minus 42 by 2a, and this is minus 4 root 2 plus or minus 32 plus 168 by 2, and this is plus 7y is equal to minus 4 root 2 plus or minus 10 root 2 by 2. Now minus 4 root 2 plus 10 root 2, 6 root 2 by 2, comma minus 14 root 2 by 2, 4 root 2 plus 10 root 2, 6 root 2 by 2, and minus 4 root 2 minus 10 root 2 minus 14 root 2 by 2, and this is 7 times cancelled, and this is 3 times cancelled, and therefore x plus 7y minus 3 root 2 is equal to 0, and this is x plus 7y plus 7 root 2 is equal to 0. Now we observe the lines. This is parallel lines. The distance between parallel lines c1 minus c2 by a square plus b square root, and this is minus 3 root 2 minus 7 root 2 by root of a square plus b square, and this is 1 plus root 1 plus 49, and this is 10 root 2 by root 50, 25 into 2, and 10 root 2 by 5 into root 2. This is cancelled, 10, 5, 2 times. Now the distance between the parallel lines is 2. See the options. Third option is 2. Once again, I repeat, the distance between the parallels. That means comparing with x square plus bx plus c. Now the first we find factors, and this is parallel lines. Now the distance between the parallels formula is modulus of c1 minus c2 by root of a square plus b square. That means now the calculation part, and this is 2. Now the distance between parallels is 2. Now the third option. Okay. If the pair of lines by x square plus y square of cos square theta is equal to x cos theta plus y sin theta whole square are perpendicular to each other, then theta is equal to, first option is 0, second option is pi by 4, and third option is pi by 3, and fourth option is pi by 2. Now first the given equation, x square cos square theta plus y square cos square theta is equal to, and expanding with a plus b whole square formula. Here a square x square cos square theta plus b square y square sin square theta plus 2ab, and this is 2xy cos theta and sin theta. Now this is here x square y cos square theta, x square cos square theta is cancelled. Now the perpendicular to each other, that means a plus b is equal to 0. Here a is x square coefficient and b is y square coefficient. That means y square, here a square, x square coefficient is a, that means cancel, a is 0, plus y square coefficient is b, that means b square minus sin square theta is equal to 0. This is cos square theta equal to 0. Now perpendicular to each other, what condition? Perpendicular to other, that means a plus b is equal to 0. Here a x square coefficient is a value is 0, and y square coefficient is b condition, b value is sin square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 0, and that implies sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, and therefore sin square theta by cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta is equal to 1. That means tan square theta is equal to 1. Here theta satisfies the equation, theta satisfies the angle pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4 and so on. Now the option is 2. Option is pi by 4, and the answer is pi by 4. The option is second one. If the area of the triangle, formed by the pair of lines 8x square minus 6xy plus y square is equal to 0, and the line 2x plus 3y is equal to a is 7, then a is equal to. Now here ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 8, 2h is equal to minus 6, h is equal to minus 3, and b is equal to 1. And this is lx plus my plus n is equal to 0, and this is l is equal to 2, m is equal to 3, and n is equal to minus a. Now area of the triangle is already 7 here, but the value of a. Now this is hint m square into root of h square minus ab by modulus of am square minus 2h lm plus bl square is equal to something 7. Here area of the triangle is 7, and this is substituting the values in this formula is equal to 7. Here a is equal to 28. Now the answer is a is equal to 28. Okay. Of x square minus 5xy plus py square plus 3x minus 8y plus 2 is equal to 0 represents a pair of lines if theta is angle between them, then sin theta. First we will find the p value. Okay. Now represents a circle, represents a pair of line. That means delta is equal to 0. Here that implies ABC plus 2FGH, 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. Here, see the equation. Here A is 1, 2H is minus 5, and H is minus 5 by 2, and B is P, 2G is equal to 3, G is 3 by 2, F is minus 4, C is 2. Now substituting these values in this formula. Here A, B, C plus 2FGH. That means 2 into F minus 4 into 3 by 2 into minus 5 by 2 minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0, and this is 2p minus in minus plus 2 3 6 5 30 and minus 16 minus 9p by 4 2p plus 14 minus 9p by 4 minus 25 by 2 is equal to 0. Here LCM is 4. 4p plus 40 for 14 fours 56 minus 9p minus 50 is equal to 0, and this is 4p minus 9p minus 5p minus 5p. 40 is 8p, for 14 is 56 minus 9p minus 50 is equal to 0. 8p minus p minus p, 56 minus 50 plus 6 is equal to 0, and this is p is equal to 6. That means here p is equal to 6. Now the angle is sin theta is equal to 2 into root h square minus ab by root of a minus b whole square plus 2h values. Now the substituting the values in this formula, and the answer is 1 by root 50. Okay, this is h value and a b available all values in this formula, and this is the answer is 1 by root 50. Okay,